Hey everybody, welcome back, and I am back with the next ThredUP Rescue Box. This is number 5, I think we're on. 3, 4, yes, I have them all together right here so I can keep track of them. This is Rescue Box number 5. We have 3 more to go. Yeah, so these are to either sell on Poshmark or keep, depending. In case you do not know, I am a part-time reseller on the Poshmark app. I've been selling for about a year. I will leave my closet down below if you want to check out, see what I got going on. The other boxes that we got, like I said, are not listed yet. I want to see everything before I start listing to decide what I'm going to do with this stuff. So far, we've had some good boxes. One was a little iffy. The scarf box was a little iffy. Not sure. You know, I probably could have kept my $10. But, okay, let's see. So this box, okay. This is the size large, 12 to 14. This is the prints and patterns. So the box I did right before this was also prints and patterns, and that was size 16, and that was actually a really good box. So hopefully this is just as good. This box was $38. Just a quick recap, the first 2 boxes I bought were $38 and I got free shipping. I went up a couple days later and the boxes were $22. And that's where it just kind of went from there, and I just started buying boxes like crazy because A, this is super fun and I absolutely love ThredUP, and why not? So, $38 box. Let's see if this is just as good. Boop, there we go. Let's see if this is just as good as the last box. I got a Johnny Was shirt, which is amazing because that's one of my would love to find it type brands. So let's see. We had some accessories in the other one too. We had a makeup bag and we had some socks, and the rest was skirts and shirts. So here we go. We got more accessories. Let's see, is this a leather belt? Because I'm here for it if it is. Genuine leather. Thank you. But I don't know if it's probably not a name brand. So I'm going to have to look and see. But this is actually a really nice belt. I might end up keeping this. Like I said, sell or keep. So I don't know. I only have 2 belts listed in my closet as of now. One is a Tommy Hilfiger and one is a Vera Bradley. And they've been there forever. I've never tried a leather belt. I do have a Columbia belt, but I feel like maybe it's not in the greatest condition that I thought it was in. I haven't listed it because, you know, belts is like a new category for me. We do have some more socks. So this is Thought Blissfully Soft Bamboo socks. These remind me of socks I had in like the 90s. We always had socks like this. These are really nice. I might keep these for myself. I'll probably keep the socks because it just feels weird to list socks. And this is only size 4 to 7. The other socks, actually no, the other socks fit size 4 to 10 and a half. So maybe I'll list them together, but I might just keep the socks. I don't know if I want to list the socks. Ooh, what is this? This is so soft. Is this a scarf? I thought it was a poncho. Is this a poncho? Oh my god. Wait. See, here we go. No. Ooh. But I don't think this is a name brand. It does have a tag on it, but there's like no RN number. Oh, I really like this. Hold on. So it's like a, let's see. Okay, here we go. Oh, it is like a poncho. Ooh, this is fun. Oh, I like this. All right. Let's not get attached. We do need to make some money here. But this is perfect for fall, like football games, any type of like nighttime sports. You might find me at a hockey game. Oh no, there's a hole in it. Oh no, it's not. Oh, I don't know. The weaving kind of like separated. Alright, if it looks sketchy, then I'll just keep it. I'm not gonna list it if it's not in like really good condition. Okay. Champion. I've never listed like this type of Champion because I feel like this is very easy to buy. Like Target sells it, but it's just like a basic racerback tank. It's in really good condition. Like whenever I buy stuff like this, I always check the armpits, especially on any type of like exercise or workout gear. I always check the armpits because a lot of times this will be discolored and then you have to soak it and more effort starts going into it. But this looks good. It doesn't look like we have any issues here. And this is a size large. So this is just a basic tank. I have so many of these when I thought I was gonna go to the gym. Just kidding. I never thought that. Okay. This is Nine West. I do have some Nine West jeans, I believe, but I don't think I've ever listed a Nine West shirt. Normally I don't pick up Nine West, but you know what? Like if I was out and I saw this print, I might pick it up. So this is cute. It's like 3/4 sleeve. That's cute. It has like the high-low hem. I like this pattern. It has a little detail here at the back. This is actually really cute. Let's see. Yeah, okay. So some of this is going to be like experimenting with brands that I normally don't sell. What do we have? Coincidence and Chance. Okay. I have these dresses in my closet currently as well. This is Urban Outfitters. I've had one that's been sitting forever. And then I do have one that sat forever and I sold it. So I don't know what it is about the dresses. If it's just the brand nobody's looking for, the type of dresses they make nobody is looking for. But I like this one. This is orange, by the way. And it has, see, I like this. This one, I don't know. This one might actually go. It has like a lace, I don't know, crochet. I say crochet. I don't feel like it's a lace. But I feel like crochet isn't something that people search for. Like nobody searches for a crochet dress. They would probably search for lace. So I would probably mark it as lace. But then it has these cool sleeves. And then it has a zip. Is it elastic? Let's see. No. The waist is not elastic. This is cute. I'll probably list that. Hopefully that one goes fast. Prove to me it's not the brand. Okay. Elfani woman. This I've never listed or bought. I don't know if this is a dress. I don't know what this is. Not a dress, I don't think. Probably just like a long top. I kind of like the color combo though. This is like a good maybe career piece with like a sweater. It's a little bit longer, so if you don't like short dress shirts, this might be the way to go. We unfortunately have a makeup situation right here, so that means now I'm going to have to probably wash it. Armpits look okay. Yeah, I'm probably gonna have to wash. Oh god. It just takes time. And it's like a late, like this is the fabric that I feel like frays a lot, you know? Oh. So the print, this is weird. Okay, so the print is on this silky part of the shirt, but then there's also print on the overlay piece, which is interesting. So, I don't know. Do I want to put the effort in to wash that? Not sure. Ooh, what's this? Talbots. You know, I don't pick up Talbots. Not for any reason other than, again, I feel like nobody specifically searches out Talbots, but I'm starting to see that they make some really cute tops. This is real. I might keep this. I don't know if this will fit me. And I hate stripes, but it's only part stripe. I look humongous in stripes. So I tend to not wear stripes, but this is super cute. This is like a coral. This color combo, I'm really feeling that. And then look at these buttons down the back. I might actually keep this. That might be a try-on situation. What do we have here? I don't know what it says. Look, it's late. I don't know if I'll be able to pronounce this. Dry clean or hand wash. My biggest nightmare. This says Olivaceous. Olivaceous? I have no idea what this is. But I love a good crop top. Not for me, but I love selling a good crop top. Because you know what? If you can wear a crop top, I say rock the shit out of it, because it's not for everybody. But this is super cute. It's like a sweater, crop sweater, but it has this super cute knot detail in the front, which I love. Like when I do Stitch Fix, I love getting the t-shirts that have the knot in the front. So it'll be a totally plain t-shirt, and then it'll either have a knot in the front or like off to the side. I love them because it dresses up or just gives that little extra detail to just wearing a plain t-shirt. So I love, 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 love. And then this has, we have a little contrasting stitch right there. This is cute. I don't know what this is, but it's got the magic word crop top. Crop top sweater. Magic word. Oh, this is the last piece already. What is this? Under Armour heat gear. I do have some Under Armour in my closet as we speak, but it is like, I think, a tank top. I don't think I've ever bought pants. These are interesting. These are really heavy, but it has one stripe down the side. I don't know. I'm gonna have to look. Look, I'm going to tell you straight up, when you buy pants, any type of pants, I don't care what type of pants you buy, if you're thrifting, you have to look at the crotch of the pants. 1000%. If you don't, you will be bringing home someone else's stains. And I know it's disgusting, but let me tell you, it happens. And it's really, really gross. So I always check the plate because you don't wanna bring that home. Nobody wants that soaking in their house. But I kind of like these. It has the contrasting. Okay, so this one was alright. I'm okay with this box, even if I just keep the Talbot sweater. But I'm definitely listing the cropped sweater. I'm definitely gonna list the dress because I'm curious with that brand. Cause I can do orange lace dress. I don't know. There's a couple different ways I can do that. So I don't know. We will have to see. I mean, not like a killer box. Like the, you know, so far it's like hit or miss. We have one like really, really good box. And then we have one that's like meh. Got a really, really good box. And then one that's like meh. So I don't know. That's, I mean, I don't know. That's good. We can get something back on that. So thank you so much for watching. And don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Don't forget to hit that bell. There is more videos coming, so you don't want to miss the rest of the unboxings because it's fun. So yeah, I will leave my closet down below. Don't forget to go check that out. I will leave the other videos linked somewhere. Maybe I'll just put these all in a playlist. I don't know what we're gonna do. But thank you so much for watching. And until next one, bye!